I bought a new Overland vehicle. For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Luca and my channel is about highlighting Brazil's beauties. And in order to do that more efficiently, I was feeling the need of getting out of my hometown, which is Rio, and road tripping through the interior of the country and showing you guys the amazing landscapes that this country has to offer. And in order to do that, I realized that I would have to change the way that I travel significantly. Especially because now I have a dog and I would like him to be a part of all my adventures. So I realized that I wouldn't be able to do that by hopping on a train or even road tripping with my old car. For those of you that didn't know, I had a Troller T4, which is a Brazilian version of the worldwide known Jeep Wrangler. And as much as I love that car, there was a few things that made traveling in it a little bit challenging. And the first one of them is internal space. The T4 is a two-door Jeep, so it makes carrying things a little bit challenging and fitting in stuff. And if you want to travel long term, you definitely have to be able to fit a lot of stuff. And in my case, since my dog sleeps in his crate, I would have to carry his crate around too. So it's an even bigger challenge for me to fit all the stuff that I need into that old car. Mario is a very active dog and he was used since he was little to sleep in his crate, eat in his crate, and it's also a safe space for him whenever I have to do work or whenever I'm doing something else and I can't give him my full attention. So this is a must-have in all the trips. Having said that, I also wanted to have the possibility of sleeping inside the vehicle if I'm sleeping at a gas station or even a small town where opening up a rooftop tent isn't an option. So it's good to have the option of sleeping inside the vehicle, and I wouldn't be able to do that with the T4. And the last thing that made me change vehicles is that although Ford bought Troller in 2006, I think, it is essentially a Brazilian project. And although it has many parts that are shared by many other vehicles from Ford or even Volkswagen or other brands, it is a Brazilian vehicle. And when you travel to other countries in South America like Argentina, Peru, Chile, it is good to have a more worldwide model. So that's also one of the reasons why I decided to change vehicles. You know what people say when all content creators lose their drones at least once? Well, this happened to me. So for those reasons that I've mentioned before, I bought a 2015 Nissan Xterra. This SUV has a ton of space, and particularly I'm very fond of the design too. This model has a 2.8 liter diesel powered MWM engine. Obviously, as you can see, this particular model already has a few modifications like bigger tires, front and rear bumpers, and auxiliary lights. But I didn't do any of these modifications. I bought it like that, and it's gonna help me save some money because those are modifications I would have to do anyway. So my goal is to transform this vehicle into a full autonomous overland vehicle, and for that I need to make a project that I'm gonna be able to remove the interior where I'm gonna set up my kitchen and my bed and use the car as a normal car in the city and put back all the overland structure whenever I'm on the road. So like I said, I'm gonna be adding a full kitchen with stove, fridge, bed, also some storage compartments that I can store my photography equipment, also camping gear, food, Oreos things, and full energy setup for me to be able to charge my camera, my cell phone, my computer, and also power the fridge. So it's gonna be a hell of a transformation, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's take her for a spin and find out a little bit more about the region. So how did you guys like the view? Pretty sick, right? So these are the kind of adventures I'm gonna be going moving forward when I finish building my vehicle. I'm gonna share the entire process with you guys. I'm gonna do the project, but I don't know if I'm gonna build it myself or if I'm gonna delegate it to someone else, because I don't have a space to do it and also no experience, but we'll figure it out as we go. For the next couple of days, I'm gonna take her to my trusted mechanic. He's gonna do some basic maintenance like changing oils, filters, making sure all the suspension parts are okay, replacing everything that is not good, and just so we can have a more reliable and trusted vehicle for us to go on the adventures that we're planning on. So I'm about to head back home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is a short one. I just wanted to introduce you to my new vehicle and kind of give you accountability of what's going on in the channel moving forward. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Luca on the go. And if you want to see how the project is going live, I'm gonna post stories and reels and posts on Instagram and TikTok, so you're gonna have the exact notion of how the project is going on in real time. And I'll see you in the next video.